everyone, welcome to my little art corner where we draw, doodle, illustrate and having fun with creativity. I am Sush and you are watching Creative Gully.
Today's fun topic is labubu. Meet my own version of labubu. नहीं खरीदा नहीं है, कॉपी भी नहीं किया है. This is hand drawn from the scratch, inspired by the original labubu, which is creepy and cute also. लेकिन इसमें है मेरा swag. So starting with some rough sketches and then I will ink it like I always do. And I like pink, so I'm thinking I will make my pink labubu. What say? Pink fur, sharp teeth, and also lot of personality. I didn't just follow the trend, I reimagine it. It's everywhere. Labubu might be trending, but this is mine. This is my version of labubu. I try to make it as creepy as original one, but this is looking cute. Why fit in trend when you can create your own twist? If Labubu had a sister, I think she will look like this. If you like my version of Labubu, don't forget to like, share and comment.